Let us discuss lymph and the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system forms an important system that relates circulatory system as well as the immune system of your body. The immune system of your body is going to protect you from infections, right? So, lymph is a clear fluid which mainly consists of the lymphocytes or the white blood cells. There are no blood platelets in the lymph. And if you talk about the non-cellular part of lymph, then mainly it is 94% water and it is composed of solids such as proteins, fats, carbohydrates, enzymes, antibodies, which form 6% of it. What are the main functions of the lymph, this clear fluid? It has a nutritive function. It is going to help in providing nutrition by what? By retaining proteins. Then it has a drainage function also. Drainage in the sense that it is going to help us to get rid of the excess tissue fluid. Then absorption, the absorption of fats in the small intestine. Then defense system, as I told you that it is mainly composed of the lymphocytes or the white blood cells. So, it is going to help you to get rid of the disease causing microorganisms that we call as pathogens. So, this is a brief review of what is lymph, what is its composition and what are its functions. Now, there are many organs that form the part of this lymphatic system. Out of those many organs, one of the most important organ is the spleen. It is located in the abdomen behind the stomach, right. So, this is spleen. This is the organ which is spleen. Now, spleen forms red blood corpuscles in the embryo. So, this is the main organ which is going to form red blood corpuscles and it is going to act as a reservoir also. Reservoir in the sense that when there is hemorrhage or blood loss or your body is becoming deficient in RBCs, so what is going to happen? This spleen is going to release the blood, the red blood corpuscles into the bloodstream so that they can be restored. So, this is also one of the very important function of this organ, that is the spleen, which forms a part of this lymphatic system. So, as a whole, what is the composition of lymph? It contains lymphocytes mainly, there are no blood platelets, mainly 94% water, solids which form 6% of it, and it has nutritive function, drainage function, absorption and defense function to perform, right.